this is what Noumea looks like from our fake window. We're going to go out for a little while, but we're not staying out for much because we'll be going on the North Star this afternoon and can't wait for that. We have to get a booking, so we've got one for today. Bienvenue. Welcome to Noumea. This is where the old port used to be, but now they've moved it because the ships are larger.
And there's a little market upstairs in the port where the bus stops off. There's the ship, so it's not far away.
So you've got bikes, motorbikes and some small cars. The prices are all up there. You can see 4 hours or 8 hours. Reasonable prices. You can hire a bike or a car and do it yourself. There's a variety of bikes over there and motorbikes. If you choose not to do a tour with the ship, because they are quite expensive, there are some other tours, and I think we're coming up to them now. And here's the tours.
They've got the hop on, hop off here.
Bullshit! Skibidi!
Hang on.
Go with us!
Yeah, so this tour is $80 Australian for adults. Water taxi.
From 10:30 till 2:30.
That's not a bad price, yeah. That's pretty good.
So if you don't want to go with the ship, come to these guys.
Definitely go with these guys. They're a lot cheaper than the ship tours.
And there's a whole heap of them, yeah. There's private tours.
Hop on, hop off is only $15
Yeah.
Australian.
If you're into the cultural, we've done that as well. Yeah, that'd be a lot of fun.
That's $60. $60 for 2 hours. Yeah, the local tours are always fun to do. It looks really popular. Look at the
Yeah,
line.
it looks like it's probably the cheapest, I think.
Hop on, hop off.
Oh, it's hop on, hop off. You can buy the hop on, hop off. Get your guide, by the way, guys.
Okay.
And I think it's slightly cheaper.
It's 45.
That's the train. No, that's
It's got the train and the bus.
So that one was $45 for
yeah.
the train. It's so cute, but it's not around at the moment.
Hop on, hop off is $15 Australian.
Some of the stops that it takes you to. Lemon Beach, we've been there. And Sivata Beach. The aquarium, McDonald's.
Macca's.
Macca's, yeah, that's it.
Macca's.
Macca's? Next to the aquarium, Hungry Jack's. Australian friendly stuff.
Hungry Jack's, not Burger King.
Awesome.
So go with these guys because they've got Hungry Jack's and
Macca's.
McDonald's, Macca's.
Aussie. Hello, guys.
So these guys go to Duck Island. I think we've been,
to chill.
we've been
It
there.
is?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one we've been to with
Yes,
the
we have,
resorts
yes,
and
yes,
the beautiful. How much is this one?
Instead of 45, we do it for 40 and we're leaving now. That's bus and taxi box.
So it's $45, but if you come at the last minute, you'll get it for 40. So this one is definitely worth it because it's a little island, it's beautiful, and there's a bar there, you can get a drink or a coffee, and we've done that, and that's fantastic too.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
All right, so there's plenty of tours.
Coffee shop over there, let's go. And here we've got coffee, food, drinks. Pretty cool.
Nice, cool area.
Yeah. Nice place for a drink. We're just going for a little walk around. And all the cars here, for anyone thinking of hiring a car, they are left-hand drive.
So when I worked for P&O and we were allowed off, we used to come to this little place here because it's really cute. It's not open yet, but it's a lovely cafe, and we used to get the cheesy chips because we loved them, and we had limited time. So we'd come here, have a coffee, have some cheesy chips and run back to the ship for our next shift.
Shopping mall. You find just across the road from that park we were just at. Looks like a supermarket over there. We go to the train. That's the tour train. Hop on, hop off. Okay, that's us done for Noumea.
Back on board.
This is how easy it is to get back on board. Just jump on one of these buses and they will take you back.